Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a free Claude AI account step by step. So let's get started. First, open any internet browser on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type in Claude AI and hit enter. From the search results, click on the official website, which is Claude AI. This will take you to the homepage where you can begin the sign-up process. Once you're on the website, scroll a little until you see the option to sign in or create an account. Here, you'll get two main options. You can either continue using your Google account for quick access, or you can sign up using your email address. If you choose email, simply type your email into the box and click Continue. After that, Claude will send a verification code to your email inbox. Go to your email, open the message from Claude, and click on the verification link or enter the code provided. This step confirms your identity and allows you to proceed with the account setup. Next, you'll be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you accept them, you'll see options for plans. You can choose a paid plan, but if you just want to start, simply select the free version and continue. You might also see an option to download the desktop app for Windows. This is optional, so you can skip it if you prefer using Claude directly in your browser. Now, enter your name and complete the basic profile setup. Claude may ask a few quick questions about how you plan to use the platform. Just select any option or choose I have my own topic to move forward quickly. Once you finish these steps, your account will be ready. You'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can start typing in the input box and using Claude right away. You can also click on your profile icon to manage settings or switch between different accounts if needed. That's all it takes to create your free Claude AI account and start using it for writing, research, or everyday tasks. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.